Helix Pulse. This video walks through the first power-up and initial setup of Helix Pulse. Once power is applied, the system will begin its startup process automatically. Ensure you have the Nomadic Controls app installed on your device. During the first startup, the system may take up to about a minute to initialize. This is normal. When prompted, begin by selecting your preferred language. Next, confirm your region if prompted. Once on the QR page, select the arrow in the bottom left-hand corner. You'll then select your network from the available list. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct network before continuing. After selecting your network, use the Nomadic Controls app to scan the QR code. Once these steps are complete, the system will proceed to the main interface. In the next video, we'll connect Helix Pulse to the Nomadic app.